Hey y'all, you know, I'm checking out the camera, filming on my new camera. It's actually our new camera, but yeah, absolutely. Like, let me see how you focus if I press this. I don't know. Hopefully I'm focused. I am in a different location. I have a lot of things that are already downstairs. Well, no, majority of this stuff was already upstairs, but anywho, I didn't feel like cleaning up, so I'm down here. So yeah, this is going to be a feminine hygiene video. Yes, it is the summertime, it is hot, and I'm just going to show you guys, will provide you guys with some tips that I use to help me, you know, keep it, you know, fresh and clean in the little personal area. Okay, all right, so like you see me looking down, I got my little book here, you guys. So I just want to make sure I didn't miss anything. So yeah, because I'm not really used to this is not something that I tell everybody. So, and yeah, if you can't see my nails, make sure you go check out my what's on my nails video. And if you aren't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you can be alerted to when I upload new content. So if you want to learn some tips on how to keep you fresh, some tips that you could possibly add to your feminine hygiene routine, keep watching. Okay, so I'm not trying to go in any type of order. I'm just going to go in the order of the list that I wrote. So the first thing that I do, let me move my phone, get out the way, is I drink a lot of water. You guys, if you follow me on Instagram and Snapchat, you'll probably see me taking snaps of my gallon water jugs. I try to drink like a gallon of water a day. And I mean, yes, water is great for you, but I really don't drink anything other than like alcohol and water. So I'm not a fruit juice drinker. Yeah, I don't drink sodas either. When I was younger and I was in college, those things used to contribute to me having a lot of problems down there. I get a lot of yeast infections, bacteria infections, and all of that type of stuff just automatically throws my pH off. I don't know what I'm gonna do if alcohol ever throws my pH off. Just take me now, Lord, just take me. So yeah, I drink water. That's it. So I'm either walking around with a gallon water jug or one of these things that keep your contents cold or hot, or however you need it. And if I have this, I just keep pouring the water. You know, you get some ice, put this in the freezer the night before so it could be cold if you like cold water, and like you're good to go. So yes, water is your friend. It's gonna definitely cleanse you from the inside, and you will start to see the benefits on the outside as well. And one thing, when you know you're drinking a lot of water, when you go to the bathroom, you're gonna go a lot. Let me just put that out there. You're going to go a lot. But when you go, it's water. Pure D water is just like coming out of you. So yeah, you can always tell when you need to drink water because your pee is not clear. So yeah, tip number one, drink lots of water. Okay, number two, do not keep your gym clothes on for a long time. I love to work out. I had kind of stopped for a while, so don't look at me right now, but yes, I do love to work out and I'm trying to get back into it, so just be patient with me. Okay, yeah. So you get sweaty down there, it gets moist and things like that, especially if you're wearing these little sweat belts and stuff. It kind of like pushes the water down there and stuff. When you get home, come up out of that stuff. Jump in the shower if you can. If you can't, for whatever reason, at least take that stuff off. It's a breeding ground for bacteria. So yeah, tip number two, do not stay in your gym clothes for a long period of time. Number three, get you some cute, sexy cotton underwear, okay? All of that other stuff is nice and dandy. Yes, it's sexy, and I know you want to look cute and stuff and feel cute, but you can't wear that every day. Do not wear that every day. You need to just wear it every now and then, special occasions only. Trust me, nowadays they have a lot of cotton underwear that look just as cute and sexy as all of that other stuff. I don't even know what that stuff is made out of. I try to stay away from it because I'm super sensitive. So some of these things that I'll show you guys, you're gonna be like, that's crazy. It may sound crazy, but I am super sensitive. I mean, this might be TMI, but I remember going through a period of my life where I had like a yeast infection, a bacteria infection like every month. It got to the point where my doctor would I would come in and say, hey, I need some more medicine, and she would just write the prescription without making me go through the process of being checked, because normally they'll try to check you because the signs can be close to like an STD or something more serious. So yeah, she was like, oh, you come here all the time, it's nothing wrong with you. Like I couldn't even eat bread without getting a yeast infection, or candy. To this day, I'm not a candy eater. I do not eat a lot of sweets because that just throws me off. It goes right down there and it just throws me off. So yeah, some of these things are just gonna be like real personal. Try sleeping without underwear. That's tip number 4. Some of you guys may feel uncomfortable. I know I still feel uncomfortable because I was raised to sleep with underwear, but it needs to breathe down there, let it air out. You know, if you always got it closed up, yeah, it's just kind of not being able to just breathe, basically. So try to sleep without underwear on, you know, at least 2 to 3 nights out of the week, more if you can, if it's possible, and that will help you out as well. And number 5, so how often are you guys wearing those skinny jeans? You know, them Fashion Nova skinny jeans, got your butt looking, you know, real plump and juicy. I know, because I love them too, but you can't wear that every day. Cannot wear that every day, all day, every day. Don't do it. Try to stay away from real tight fitting pants, shorts, whatever, because that's just go throw it off down there as well. Number 6, so I'm gonna start getting to showing you guys what I use. So when you go to the bathroom, whether you pee, number 2, whatever, I know you beauties are wearing using toilet tissue, but you also want to use some type of wipes. So I either have these in my purse with me, and these are just the Huggies, get them anywhere, or these are the Summer's Eve feminine wipes. I love these as well, and I like these because it's like very like small and discreet, so you could just kind of pull it out. This is perfect for when it's like that time of the month, things like that. So yeah, you just kind of, after you do your toilet tissue, use one of these as well. Yeah. And this is the Huggies Natural Care. Love these. I love the way these make me feel after I use it. It's just like I walk out of the bathroom feeling like I just stepped out of the shower or something. Like, it feels really good. Okay, also, I'm gonna tie this all into number 6. Be careful with what you're washing with. Like I said, I'm on the extra sensitive side. I get so aggravated when my husband want to use all that Tide with Color Guard, bleach, all that type of stuff. I can't use all of that stuff just to wash my underwear. Can't use it all the time. It just throws me off. So I like to use things like this On Guard laundry detergent from doTERRA. It is non-toxic, environmentally friendly. Yeah, and it has essential oils in it. So like, it smells good. It's not a real floral, that's the word. It doesn't have a real floral smell or anything like that, but it's good. It's good for your clothes, it's good for your body, and it's definitely good for down there. So if you can't get your hands on that because you have to order it from doTERRA, I like to use this. I remember going to the doctor all the time, and we were both confused, like, what is wrong? Why do I keep getting yeast infections and bacteria infections, and they'll put me in a bubble? And so one of the things she suggested was detergent, change my laundry detergent. So yeah, for years I have been using this. This is perfect for me. And I don't know about you guys, but I know my husband loves to drench the clothes in fabric softener. Okay, so if we're using fabric softener, I try to use this. This is a lot more natural. It doesn't have, it's made with plant ingredients. It has natural essential oils. It doesn't have parabens and all that type of other stuff. So this is a little bit more gentle and safer for your body. So I can use the other stuff, but if it just starts to be a continuous thing, it's just a no for me. All right, next thing, when I wash with some Summer's Eve or some all natural soap. I like to make my soaps. This like right here has honey and oats in it, and it's really, really good. It leaves your skin so moisturized. So yeah. And also, all of this is on the outside. Do not wash with this stuff on the inside. You're not sticking nothing up there but water, maybe, you know, like whatever. You might want to take the nozzle and something like that outside, okay? And then when you're washing with it, you want to get you like something. If you wear nails, you can use your 2 fingers, 4 fingers, however you want to do it. But I wear long nails and they have stuff on it, and I have cut myself before, especially with them stilettos. Oh God, I have stuck the shit out myself before. So now I just use something like this, and I'll put it on there, and then I'll use this to kind of, you know, wash and scrub and, you know, get all up in between there. See, you can find this at the dollar store. Like, it's like supposed to make taking a bath fun for kids or something. All right, next thing that you can do is, you know, if you're having a date night, or, you know, you're going to, you know, you got your little appointment going on, you want to smell extra fresh and stuff like that, you can, after you've washed, got it all nice and fresh, put a little drop of essential oils. Now, not just any essential oil. Don't go to Walmart trying to get some of their essential oils. You need to get like some certified, top of the line grade essential oils. And just take like a drop with some coconut oil or something like that. Get your rag. Again, my nails, I done cut myself before, stuck the shit out myself. So put it on, put some oil on it, put a drop of essential oil on it, and then I'll take this and rub it on my butt crack. Butt crack, yeah. Not putting this on her like in the front. I'm not doing that. You know, but the butt crack, it's okay, it's fine, and you gonna smell good. Like, somebody gonna be excited tonight, all right? Also, when you are shaving, it doesn't matter what kind of razor you use. I have all kind of different ones. You can get the pink ones, I get those sometimes too. Yeah. You want to make sure you're going in the direction that your hair is growing. Oh my gosh, I had learned this the hard way. Y'all know I'm light skinned, and Jesus. For years, I hated shaving. I hated it. And then like, it just like, it just is, it's horrible. So definitely shave in the direction that your hairs are growing. And you can use this stuff. I normally use this to travel with, but what's better is using some coconut oil, okay? Make sure you get organic, unrefined, I believe, and all, you know, all the safe stuff, and use that. And trust me, you use this down there, it is going to be so soft, so silky smooth, and it's going to prevent you having like irritation from all that bumpiness and stuff like that. So yeah, I don't want to make this video too long. That is it, you guys. Any comments, questions, concerns, leave them down below. And until next time, bye.